Hey, good morning, YouTube. I know it's been a while, man, but this time around, there's something that I need to do that I haven't done before or ever on my Svartpilen 401, and that is to do an oil change. What brought this about is because the service center that used to be the place where I take my bike to has moved out, and I guess it's for a good thing because now I got to do this thing. I have to do an oil change on this motorcycle, and it should be fairly simple though. So, uh, nothing that I couldn't handle, I think. So, the tools that I'm gonna be needing are this torque wrench. I got the big boy kind over here, and also the socket that goes with it. Okay, and this one right here. I think I'm gonna be needing the 8 millimeter, which is it's right here. I'm also gonna be needing some Allen wrenches, but I think that I'm gonna only be using the 5 millimeter. Okay, have that. And if I need to reach in at tight spaces to unscrew something or screw on something, I have my extension here. And also, I heard that I gotta pick out the filters, the two filters, actually three filters. So I'm gonna need a long nose wrench, and just for all the things that I'm gonna be needing, I might need this just bottle of a plastic bottle that I picked out so that I can pour the old oil in before disposing. Also, I'm gonna be needing a funnel to use when I'm pouring in the new oil. Also, I'm gonna be needing some pans to catch the oil. Okay, so should be an easy process, and I'll try to walk you guys through this process if you don't already know. And I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. All right, guys. The first thing that I need to do is to remove the skid plates in order for me to be able to access the filters. So we will be using the 5 millimeter Allen wrench. Okay. 8 millimeter socket wrench. Okay. So this tool right here is a combination of 8, 9, and 10 millimeters. So it's very, very handy, and it's long. I have power tool, but I'm just afraid that I might strip something. So being this is my first time doing all of these, I'm just gonna be cautious and just do this thing manually. Once you remove this guard right here, okay, this is the guard. Okay, I'm removing it, and then now this is the exhaust pipe. Okay, going to the cat. You will see this one right here. This little screw right here is what we're gonna turn in order to release all the oil. Okay, so it is important that you're able to remove the engine guard, or else you won't be able to access this. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that, and it's not easy unless you probably got the motorcycle on a lift. So I've seen many different tricks on how to prevent the oil from running and touching the pipe. In my case, I also have a thermal wrap, so if the oil gets on that and I start the engine later on, and that oil is gonna burn from the thermal wrap and it's gonna stink so bad. So I think I'm gonna do this hack right here, and it's just a simple Ziploc bag. Just gonna slide that over here underneath. There's space there. Okay, and catch it on the other side. Run it down here. Okay, catch it some more on the other side. So now I'm just gonna flip some of this thing right here and kind of form up a slide or something, and hopefully this will do the trick. Okay, so let's get that. I don't think it's gonna drip on the other side because the mouth of the hole is right there, so it's just gonna drip right here. Okay, so to open this thing up, you're gonna need a size 19 millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna open this thing up right now. There you go. See that? It is not touching the thermal wrap, hence it's not touching the pipe. So there's your hack right there. So we're just gonna let this one drip, and look, it just made the filter pop out too. We're gonna tilt this guy a little bit and see how much more we can get. All right, so we have collected some here. We're gonna remove that from there, main big one over there, and then we're gonna open this one over here to collect from here as well. Okay, and this one will be using a size 13. Okay, I'm just hand turning this guy, and there you have it. There she is. Other little filter. Okay, so the horns are out and the flat is in. So the last thing we're going to remove now is the filter, and this is a size 8.